Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have 3 clients. So we're gonna get ready to go to the shop. It's 7:08 and be there by like 7:30ish. All of my clients today are pretty much early. Like I end my day by 1 o'clock. I am hungry, so I'm trying to hurry up, even though I'm pretty much done. This hair is so tea. Shouts out to my sister. Y'all can't get these though. She's not in her braiding season. I haven't had my earrings in for like the last couple of days, and every time I look at myself, I'm just like, oh my god, where are my earrings? I've actually just been living like just having one instead of putting in all 3. I don't know, I feel like I just been liking how simplistic my ears look with just one compared to the whole. Yeah, so I just like how like one looks compared to my face as a whole, because it's just like, oh, she has a whole bunch of face piercing but she only has 1 ear piercing. Well, I have 2 in right now, but I have all of these and I want more actually. I've been trying to get Cesaria and Roletta to come get some piercings with me from this guy I've been seeing on TikTok. And Roletta's like, I want a tattoo. I'm like, girl, let's go on a piercing date. It's 8:02. My first client is my cousin. She's going to grab bash. She said she's running a little late, but I do have at 9:30. So, I mean, I know it's going to only take 30 minutes. So, I'm not tripping, but we're here. Let me just show you guys how I organize and what I do. So, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get a pink dental bib. They come like this. Well, they come folded up in a pack of 100. Okay, this is my area. I'm gonna put this dental bib right here. Okay, so for every face, yeah, y'all can't see me, girl. Okay, so for every face, they need Noxzema pad to cleanse it. So you put that here, boom. You need a face moisturizer. This is hydrating water gel with sunscreen in it. I like this a lot actually, and it's really hydrating. And I've used this on myself for my base for my birthday, and it was so tea. Boom. So we got that. I always start with lash glue because for the eyebrows. All right. Here are my little cups. I'm gonna be filling. I have 4, but 2 of them are my house, so that makes no sense for me to talk about them because they're not here. 2 of these. 2 of these. One of these. One of these. Okay. Bronzer brush. We get a face brush. We get a concealer / powder brush. We're gonna use for both for one of them. Foundation brush. Boom. Then we're gonna need a concealer brush. And then, actually, I start off with just a regular crease brush for any look, but that's usually for my soft glam. I work with 1 brush, but I do know I have 2 soft glams and 1 signature glam. So actually, my 3rd client for today is a bridal trial. Her wedding is on Saturday. I think her wedding is on Saturday. So she's flying in town today. She's gonna meet me here and we're gonna do her bridal trial, and then the day of, y'all know what a trial is. We figure out what she like, what she don't like, and then we do her makeup. So that's today. So we get some of these. I'm gonna take out this palette. I use this palette for everything. 2 lip applicators in case they want black eyeliner, which is gel. So I need an applicator and 1 eyebrow applicator because we have to use that for the eyebrows. Ooh. Okay, 2 powder puffs. I need to get more because I'll wash them, and once they start like the makeup stains too much, like these are really clean. Once the makeup starts staining too much, I'm throwing them away because though they are reusable, this can be washed, and I'm not you're not gonna trick me into overconsumption and destroying the planet because y'all want to throw these away. So you can either give these to your clients so they can use it later, or you can wash them. And I wash them, and once I feel like they cannot be washed anymore, I'll throw them away and I'll buy more. I threw away some more the other day, so now I'm gonna buy a pack, but I'm gonna buy a huge pack, and then that's it. This is the setup. I'm not really stressing today, chilling, so I'll just go with the flow.
We'll be running in the summer. You got a brand new Hummer. We laugh all day like Dumber and Dumber. I'm about to shoot my shot. She loving my jumper. My favorite outfit is her see-through romper. Don't worry, I got you. I promise I won't hurt her. She talk like a snapping turtle. She squirt like that shit fertile. Got drink in my cup on Perco. She move that ass in circles. Not sipping on green and purple. We said that shit no hurt though. I just hope you're down for me.
Oh, this is cute. Look so cute. Let's take a picture. I just finished my cousin. As y'all can see, it was really cute. She wanted something really light and really natural. Y'all know that's not my specialty. I could do a soft glam and a natural soft glam, but she wanted like dewy. I don't know how to do. I'm not no dewy type of girl, so I told her I could do my best. I could do light, but I'm not a dewy girl. Like, I don't practice for that. But it's 9:11, and my next client comes at 9:30, so I'm about to clean this up and then put this on the charger so I can get some footage of my next client. And then she's getting a soft glam, so yeah, I'm about to do that. I want you now, I want you now.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. I need love and affection. Love and affection.
So my last client just left. It's now 10:30. I've been finished, but she was getting ready and stuff. Her last finishing touch, I'm like, my next client is not until 12, so I'm chilling. I think T should be coming. She said she's gonna be coming by 11, so hopefully I see the girl. Hey, me and my bestie is here. She came to work. Oh, where's your thing? She washing her tools. Get you a nail tech that's hygienic. She wash her tools after every set. Well, okay, not after every set, but every client, she gets a new set of tools. She sanitize it and she do all of that, and she package it and she use a whole bunch every time. Every day she gonna say, can you set a timer for 10 minutes? Cause she about to sterilize. Today feel like Friday. Get into that. You know your skin type right now. Sensitive. So your eyebrows are pretty full. Is that how you like them? They're they're really nice. Okay, so you like them. But we can keep light brown to a dark brown, and then the middle will have that champagne color.
And I'm gonna give you your thing so you can
Okay, I like this color a lot.
I like that.
So on top of that,
Okay.
And then I have a loose powder that we can add to make like a little shine sparkle.
Okay.
Okay. Right? It's really nice. You like the eye?
I do.
Right. The blush calms down over time because it's usually the first to go. So by the end of the night, it probably won't even look like it's there. So that's why I said I was just add just a little more. So I just finished her makeup. You guys saw it. It actually came out really nice. This was her bridal trial. A bridal trial, I feel like I explained it in the video, but basically It's exactly what it is. It's a trial before the day of the wedding. And she came here, did her makeup. She's gonna show me what she likes, what she don't like, what she want to change about it. She said she wanted it natural, but I am done for the day. It looks like I'm gonna need to wash my brushes, but because I'm running out of all of my favorite eyeshadow brushes, and like this is what I'm left with, and I feel like that's fine, but is it? Who knows? I'm feeling kind of lazy. My period started today, and I don't know. I don't know if I want to wash my brushes right now. I feel like there's some brushes that I could do some stuff with. Don't be fooled, guys. This is like the first time in months that I bought chips for inside the shop. I'm doing my due diligence. This is what I got. Chips. Their sodas were really expensive, so I didn't get them. But I got Capri Sun, so I don't want to hear nobody complain. I got this flavor, Arctic. Fruit punch. You want one? A Capri Sun or anything? And I got some Rice Krispie treats. You want a Rice Krispie treat? Okay. Okay guys, I bit the bullet and I washed my brushes. I washed all of them from the past like week and a half.
Your old friend has arrived.
This is so good. I got these at Family Dollar when I went to buy the snacks for the shop. Fire. I'm back home. I've been back home for a while. Different year, same old habits. It is April 30th, and at the end of every month I track my progress of what I made for the month. So I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna show you guys, because I think that's really important. I feel like I talk about it in every video, but it's just important. I feel like as a small business owner as well, I think it's important. Now, are there better spreadsheets than this? For sure. This is what I got. Okay, so it looks like this. Honestly, there's a video where I actually show it in depth. I'm not doing that today because I'm gonna hurry up and go right through this because I need to do it. I like doing it, but I'm not going in depth. So basically I have all of my services that I offer. Sometimes the price changes. It just depends, so I don't really have the price there, but in each section I'll total up how much it is, and then it'll total me out right here. When I first started doing it, I had it to where I was tracking my expenses as well, tracking the things that I was buying. I'm not really doing that now. I haven't done that in some months, so I'm just going to do that now. For example, and then this is my book. I'm a bookkeeper, so we have April down here and here, so we're going to track it. I also track every appointment, so multiple days I'll track it, and I'll say this day I had a soft glam, this is the price. I don't calculate tips, so all of these obviously get adjusted. So I'm going to count all of my soft glams and I'm going to add the total in here. It's really simple, and I'll be back when I'm done. So just for example, on here I sold touch-up kits. I sold 4 touch-up kits this month. Not that good. I haven't really been selling, like bringing them up, unless I worked a wedding, and I worked one wedding this month. And that's where I sold my majority of my touch-up kits, because it's like a longer duration, but I need to get on that. Yeah, so now we're done. I'm gonna end out the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've been back on TikTok for like a long time now. So Follow me there. Follow my Instagram.